how you can design this type of a logo that you are seeing on the screen, the TikTok. So to do this, we need an application called Pixellab. So all you need to do is go and open a Pixellab on your phone. I believe you have it installed already. So let's open Pixellab. So I already started making one of these designs. So what you do is you are going to get rid of all this part. Then you go to these three dots. Now you need to change the size of the image that you want to create. So you go to image size, and in this case I want to make it a YouTube thumbnail. So all you need to do is just drop it down, then go to YouTube thumbnail. So I have it now. Here is 1280 by 770 by 720. So just command OK, then you have something like that. The next thing that we're going to do is you need to draw a circle. So go on that plus, go to the shapes, then from there just need to change the shape on this point. Just choose a circle, then resize the size that you want, whatever size that you want. Then from there change the color to black. So like you have seen, I've changed the color to black already. Then I can resize it, make it according to the size that you want. Then from there what you are going to do is you change the position, relative position. You want to center it. So in this case I'm just putting it on the center. Once that is done, you just need to mark. Then change the color to white. You just move it down to the color, then change it to white. So like that. Then all you need to do is resize this circle, make it a little bit smaller than the one that you tried to place, the black one. Then you need to go and center it. After locking it, you need to go and insert another circle. So go to plus, the shapes, then also change that to circle. Then make sure the color is black, make it black. Then resize it again, 8 smaller than the white one. Then center it, just like we have done to the previous tool. In this one you need to center it. Okay. Then once you're done again, you need to go and lock that other circle. You don't need it to move. So we are almost done with that part. The next that we are going to do is get some text here, write something that you want to write. So just go there and edit. We are going to edit the text. You can also edit from here. Then just write the name of what the logo that you want to design. So in this case, you are going to call it new design. Just type in new design. Then you can put it in capital letters by clicking on the T capital T small. Then you have it like that. Then adjust the size. So go to this A where you need to go and resize it, make it a little bit smaller. Then from there you can go and change the font. So just move it, change the font that you need. So I have some fonts that I downloaded here. I'll choose one. So just choose any type of a font that you want. Then there you want to make it a little bit curved. So you go to curve, then adjust the curving to something like this. Then let's try to make it a little bit smaller. Letters are just too big. So work with the size, then center it, something like that. Then mark it to activate it. Then just lock it as at now. So we are locking it. You want that one also to move. Then we need another shape. So in this case, I'll get any type of a shape, any shape of a choice that you want. So in this case, I'll get this one here. Then mark, try to resize it a little bit. put it at the center like that, depending on what you want to design. Then again lock it. Any shape that you just insert, you don't want it to move, just keep on locking. Then again go and insert, get another shape. So from there, this time around you're going to change the shape. Maybe you want to make it use a circle again or a star, something like that. You can get anything that you want. Let me just get this one. Then change the color to black for this shape. Command, then resize, make it smaller, make it very small and rotate it. You can rotate, continue making it small. Okay, until it is placed according to the way you want it to be. So it's up to you how you want that one to be. Just try to. Okay, so if that is what you wanted to do, you go and lock it. So lock this one so it doesn't move. Then the last thing that you're going to do is now to write our own name. So go and get a text. Then from there, your name will be down there. Just go and edit. You edit your text. So in this case, I'll just say my logo. Type in anything that you want and format them. So I've typed my logo. The one thing that remains is just now the matter of changing the font. So let's change the font to any font of our choice, whatever font that you want. So let me just use this one. Then okay. From there we can also deal with the size. So just reduce and you can place it down there like so. Okay, we are good to go. So now what you are going, after doing all that, you have inserted all the layers that are needed. The next thing that you need to do is to merge, make it one. So just command, then select all the parts that are involved. All the parts, select them. You want to make it one. So merge, command on merge, then okay. So now we have made one thing out of all those that you are inserting, all the layers and everything. We have made it one. The next that you are going to do now is to remove the background. So just command on that tab. Then you need to find the eraser. So it says erase color. So just command on erase color, activate it, and you see that now we have removed some backgrounds. Then once you're done with that, you are comfortable, you can adjust the tolerance and everything. Then just say okay. So now this has so many different parts, so different shapes that are cut. We want to make it again one. So to do so, you need to go and insert another shape. Now this shape, the insert is just to combine everything. So just go and change the color to white to black, the same color as that which you have already drawn. Then resize to make it very small, because you just want to use it to combine it with the merged shape. Then once you're done with that one, just command and go back to merge. Then you need to combine the shape that you have inserted together with what is cut. Then merge. Okay. Then this is now one. So what you are going to do now is to add what we call texture. So go to texture, need to find texture here, then click on it to find what can be the background for what we have designed. So in this case, we have so many pictures. You can get any picture that you want, any background that you want to put on that logo that you're trying to design. So I have so many pictures here. I'll try to choose one. Any picture that you want. So let me use this one here, kind of good. Okay, then I'm very much interested in this night one. Then just say okay, and you now see that I put a background for that, and we still have these parts that are cut. So once that is done, you need to scroll to move down to 3D shape. You need to change this to 3D. So we are seeing that it's now changing to 3D. You can adjust the depth of this 3D, the 3 dimension. Darken 30%, you can change. Rotation, you can adjust all such kind of things. If you want your rock to rotate, you can still rotate. Then once you are done with that one, you need to move on to the shadow. Let's add some shadows. So we are seeing that we have this as a shadow. Then we are done. The next thing that we are going to do is apply the inner shadow. So apply the inner shadow and adjust the blur radius. You can try to adjust so it's something that you can read. You can try to put the offset of the shadows depending on what you want. Not comfortable, just unmark it, apply it again, then try to adjust the blur radius. I think that one is okay. Then command. The last thing that you might want to apply is called the emboss. So command, apply that one, and now we have it looking like that. You can also adjust. We still have so many settings here. The intensity, you can work with the intensity. You can reduce the intensity of the lighting. You can also work with the ambient light. Just reduce to make what you want. So adjust it properly. The level you can adjust depending on what you want. So like this. Okay, so if you are comfortable with that, we are almost done. Maybe you want to work with a 3D a little bit, want to rotate it. So we can rotate the shape. So we have Y rotation, Z rotation. Okay, I think I'm comfortable in the way it is designed. This is the type of a logo that I wanted to design. And once that is done, I would want just to adjust, put it on the center. So we go to relative position, then center it. And once we're done with that, all we need to do is now change the background. So let's go to import. You want to get a background, so you need to have some background already downloaded in your phone, but you can just go and grab it. So I have this one and that one already, the yellow and the black I'll choose. So just double click on it, then just OK and resize, then just go and reorder, change them so that now that one is on top of the background. So we have this. If the background is not okay, you can still go and change the background to the background that you want. So let's just go and import. So let's delete this one, then import. So you want to import the gold one. Just find the gold. Okay, this same one here. So double click, then just OK. Resize it. As usual, go and rearrange them. So once you're done with that one, we have that good looking logo. It's just a matter of saving it. So just command on save as image. So like that, you have designed a logo that you can use on your social